We didn't plan much, just packed a camera and left. No rush, no countdown, just a craving for something different. The highway unfolded ahead of us, clean, quiet, and full of promise. It felt good to drive without a destination in our heads, even though we had one. Cascade Falls. As the city slipped behind, something in us shifted too. Forest, thicker, quieter, alive. We parked where the trail begins, stepped out, and just listened. No engines, no horns, just wind and water. Somewhere in the distance, the trail was short, but it said a lot. Trees arched overhead like they were guarding something. Sunlight danced between branches. Birds flitted past. Each step felt like peeling off a layer of stress, like the noise we carry in our heads was finally fading. Then we saw it. A bridge, suspended between trees, stretching towards something we could already hear. We stepped onto it slowly. The boards creaked, the wind moved gently, and just like that, we were floating above it all. Cascade Falls. Loud, wild, unapologetically beautiful. The water didn't fall, it roared. Mist rose like breath from the cliffs. The air felt different here. We stood still, didn't talk, didn't even film at first. We just watched and felt something you don't get in the city. Stillness, not quiet, stillness. Eventually, we turned back. Same trail, same trees. But we were a little different now. There's something about places like this. They don't ask anything from you. They just give. Time didn't stretch here, but the moment did. We didn't stay long. Didn't need to. Some places fill you up in an instant. At last. Only thing I need to say, Cascade Falls. Closer than you think. More powerful than you expect.